Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 BMW X5 xDrive35i. This one is a zero black metallic. Underneath here it's an inline-6 twin turbo pushing out 300 horsepower. This one comes with the M Sports package with the M Sport 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, xDrive35i badging on the side, Dakota brown leather interior, panorama sunroof, rear climate controls, rear heated seats, trailer hitch, X5 badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, power windows, memory seats, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, hard keys for the media displays, sports and comfort mode. This X5 has 26,813 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW X5, check out feldmannimports.com.